Many have heard of it, not a lot of people have shopped it. What is SHEIN? Is it legit? What do they sell? I'll let you know in this video. In the vast array of online businesses, SHEIN is just another company that is selling some cheap stuff. If you follow this channel for any length of time, you know I'm going to be trying to find camping deals for all of us. For $1.16, I found these two covers that were supposed to go over my camping stove knobs in my camper to help prevent from them being pushed down and releasing propane. Now, I'm not going to lie, the mail carrier that we have could care less about delivering products properly. So these were broken when I got them, so I'm not even going to use them, and I'm not going to ask for my $1.16 back. Another thing I got was this waterproof toilet paper holder for our wet bath that was only $1.74, and as you see, it's $12 on Amazon. Now, we actually put this in the camper this last weekend, and it is kind of flimsy, I'm not going to lie. One thing that I wish that it had was some kind of extra little things built inside of it that actually held the toilet paper roll, because what happens is it's not going to come out properly. Clothing. Now, I got these shorts not knowing what to expect. The price was phenomenal. The material is fantastic. They are lightweight, breathable, cool. I love these. I might buy more actually. This outdoor patio rug that we got for the front of our camper. I've seen many of these. We have bought some in the past that have been kind of janky. This one here was not too bad. We got the biggest option that we could get. And as you'll see here, I lay it out on the ground and it takes up a pretty good amount of space. I mean, in all actuality, I probably wouldn't mind getting a second one. And just to note, if you do get these, plan on using tent stakes or something to keep these down. It is very, very lightweight and will blow away with no problem at all. Overall, good quality and match what we showed in the Ollie's video. Here I got this little case to hold a razor blade that we can put in our shower, and also have one for my travel pack. These tennis shoes for $8.37. Man, I was skeptical about buying some $8 tennis shoes, but these things are lightweight, they fit great, and I absolutely love them. This is the best thing I found. For $6.91, this lantern is amazing. You can recharge it solar or with a USB. It works as a light, and as you will see in this video, it also works as a flashlight. Seriously, you guys, for $6.91, this thing cannot be beat. I absolutely love it. It's the best thing that I bought from SHEIN, and I seriously have another one of these in my cart for the next SHEIN order that I have. It's bright, it's effective, and I can't tell you how happy I am that you can recharge the lithium battery with solar. All of this stuff I got for $34.57. Was it worth it? I think so.